Understanding no haul, a phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to decipher the meaning behind the phrase, no haul. This might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. No haul is a phrase made up of two words, no and haul. No is a word we use to indicate the absence of something or to say that something does not exist. Haul, on the other hand, refers to a large amount of something that is moved or transported from one place to another. When these two words come together to form no haul, they are essentially saying that there is no large amount of something being moved or transported. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's look at how it can be used in different contexts. Example 1. Imagine you're a fisherman, and you've been out at sea all day. But unfortunately, you didn't catch many fish. When you return, your friend asks you how it went. You might respond with, "It was a no-haul day, barely caught anything." In this context, no haul is used to express the disappointment of not catching a large amount of fish, which was the expected outcome. Example 2. Let's consider another scenario in a business setting. A team of workers was supposed to receive a shipment of goods, but something went wrong, and the goods didn't arrive. The team leader might say, "We were expecting a big delivery today, but it turned out to be a no haul." Here, no haul is used to describe the absence of the expected large shipment of goods. So there we have it. The phrase, no haul, is used to talk about situations where there is an absence of a large amount of something that was expected to be moved or transported. It can be used in various contexts, from fishing to business, to express disappointment or to simply state the facts of a situation. I hope this video helps clear up any confusion, and you now feel confident using no haul in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.